What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be doing something I've been talking about in my last video, and that's putting a muffler in my exhaust system. It's a little loud, so I am just getting ready here. Measured everything up and it should fit. Everything should fit. I'm actually not going to take it to a shop. I think I'm going to try my hand at welding it today. Very little faith. If it seals, if it holds, I'm happy with it. So, and if not, I'm going to pack everything up, take it to a muffler shop, get them to weld it in, and spend my 150 bucks. But I'd rather learn how to do it than pay somebody else to do it. So, on that note, let's head out to the garage. As you can see, the weather is starting to get a lot nicer. It's almost April, so I'm really looking forward to that. Ooh, just take a look at that. Ooh, yeah. We're gonna do a before, to see what the exhaust sounds like. Straight piped all the way through, just give it a little blip of the revs. Let's get some sound clips, boy! So as you can tell, it sounds rowdy as fuck. It's a little loud for my liking, but I'm hoping that the muffler doesn't take away too much of it. Maybe just a little bit of the sound level itself, but not physically the sound, because it sounds really good. I'm really happy with it. So just a little bit of it's like a resonator. I'll flip you around here and show you. It's a good resonator here. Here we go. It's a Dynamax bullet style. So let's put this in, see what it sounds like. Isn't the first time this has been taken off, so it shouldn't be that bad. Now, if you're ever dealing with exhaust hangers, WD-40 works great, or silicone lubricant for chains and stuff. So. Alright, so I've just kind of been doing some measurements here. Basically, this is a 2.5-inch muffler. This pipe is 2 1/4. So this pipe should actually slide right into here. So basically, this is going to fit into there snugly, and then I'm just going to weld the seam, and then yeah, it should make it a lot easier, cleaner. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to start making the cuts. So I kind of use a tape line here just to get my rough measurement. 15.5 between the green lines. This muffler is 16.5, so that allows me roughly 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch to overlap and maintain it the same distance. So let's get to cutting, and then, I mean, hopefully I don't screw things up. Alright, there we go. So that piece is off. Now I have 2 sections that I need to connect with this guy. Boom. So if we look at the lines here, I made a line that goes straight across on this piece. Well, I did, it had tape. But, so there's a line to line up with this line, which lines up with that line. So you know that when you put it back on the car, everything's going to bolt up the same, roughly the same, like, orientation. And then I think we're in business. So I'm going to pull out the welder here and make some tacks. Shouldn't take too long at all. I'm actually pretty impressed. I mean, I've only welded a handful of times, but look at those beads. Not bad for a $200 welder at Canadian Tire. You can see we got some porosity welds in there. I'm gonna have to go through and make sure everything's secured up, or I guess sealed. I mean, not terrible. I mean, it's not the greatest. I'm not even using gas, I'm using flex core, so the rest of the exhaust, like that, ooh, they use like a 2.5-inch pipe on a 2-inch and just basically filled the hole. So this exhaust is probably gonna need to be replaced pretty soon. I'm not happy with it right now. It doesn't look the greatest. Sounds all right. We'll see how this changes it, but yeah, I might have to go and get another custom one done. Let's get this bad boy on, start it up, and check for leaks. So there's a big issue, but I'm gonna start it up and see how it sounds anyway. There's one major issue though that I didn't think we'd have a problem with, but so here's where the muffler is, and boom, there's the drive shaft. So is making contact with that. So I need to lower the rear down. I think should give us enough room. I don't know what the best option is gonna be. Let me get back to you guys. All right, guys. So there wasn't really a way to make that fit. It was just too awkward. I don't really have the fabrication skills to modify this, so ta-da! So you know that STI exhaust that I had? Well, the axle back portion is completely identical, so I'm actually gonna take this to a good shop that I know of, and I'm just gonna get them to chop it and then bring some tips out and just clean it up so that, you know what, believe it or not, it actually sounds really good with just the STI resonator in there. I'm gonna go do that, because I'm lazy, I'm running out of time, and I just can't screw with this anymore. So just as a comparison, and I have basically just the STI axle back on. Oh my God, it sounds so much better.
Eventually.
That is what an exhaust is supposed to sound like. And the quality of this place is insane. So if anybody's looking for exhaust work, definitely, I'll leave a link down below. But 32nd Ave in Calgary, Minute Muffler. Ravi's the man to go see. But for now, let's go enjoy the nice Subaru sounds.
A few moments later.
Oh, this sounds so good. So, here's the new exhaust setup. Let me fire it up and show you what it sounds like. So after all is said and done, I'm happy with that. Behind me here is the old setup. Time to say goodbye. Seriously, look at this. Just look at how this was done. All right, look at this. Look at it. Ugh. Like who does that? Focus here. Focus. Good riddance. And I mean, like, back to the stock piping, and then there's my job. This is what it was before. Focus. That's gross. Those welds, oof. And then mine aren't any better. And then the resonator, and then back to the grossness. Yeah, I might actually try and weld that pipe back in to where this was, and then see if somebody wants this. Because, I mean, for the right person, this thing sounds great. Not for me. Finally, the tips aren't gonna melt the plastic, so that's nice. Looking underneath, so we've got nice little Ys. Goes into a collector, and then back to the stock piping. Everything is nice, everything is tidy, it's tucked up. Before it was like hanging down and then it would come up, so it would just get in the way, it would scrape. I think it's safe to say that this is a win. Like I said, Ravi, he's the man, he knows what he's doing. This is the second exhaust system he's done for me. I had a Lexus IS350 and that car was loud and it sounded amazing. And they actually did the exhaust system, so again, great work, sounds awesome. The biggest thing for me was, does it look proper, does it fit, is it functional, and I think they killed it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little update and kind of install video, kind of not. I mean, I don't know what to call it, but it was a fail. It was a huge fail, massive fail. Hello being able to hear when I get home now, not just like, nee. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning into this video. Hope you liked it, hope you didn't like it. Don't hope you didn't like it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. My fails are always funny. So let me know if you enjoyed my fail. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Peace.